J Cruz, known as the AUDIOZONE. Always want to welcome you to the channel and always thank you guys for the support that you guys are giving this channel. Today we're going to bring a couple builds to you guys, man. We've had a lot going on. I want to tell you guys an apology for not being able to bring y'all much videos that we've had going out. But is that it's busy and we got to take care of business before pleasure, y'all. But for you guys today, we're going to be doing a little build on a Dodge Charger. It is actually this one that's right here. It is a last call Charger. It is a scat pack and it is in a purple, which is actually a beautiful color. Shout out to Jamal, because he wants to get his wide body, but this is kind of what it'll look like. The guy could be getting disassembly on this one. We're gonna be doing a DLR kit, which can be the upper and the lower bar diffused. We're gonna be doing a projector here. We're gonna be doing this little light right here, and also the hood scoop, and we're gonna have my separate controllers so that he will be able to get different, different patterns and different things when he wants to be able to show and giving up, any kind of thing that he's going through the car. He'll have a little different and unique look. I'm thinking about throwing him a little twister in there. I'm doing the DLR on one controller, doing another controller, doing the projector on another one, just so he can have a different setup of different lights. So you can have this one here going in red, going around, this one purple, and so on. Make it a different look, and that's kind of what we're shooting for today. So right now on this board, on this car, the guys are beginning this assembly to get the cars together. We got to get the headlights off the car, separate the headlights of the car, also remove the bumper to be able to do all the wiring, all the stuff that we need to get done, and then get the car back together again and get the car delivered. So this one here will be coming out today. This is another one that we did here, y'all. This is a 08 that we actually did a conversion. If you guys know the 08 body style, we did a 2015 tail lights on it. You can see that. All the bumper from the 2015. Of course, the wide body kit. We did the custom black caliper with the word Brembo on it, right? And it's also a clear thing. We got those going there. We also have the wide body here with the front end conversion of the HELLCAT, as you can see on this one here, and a couple other mods. We did the hood from the shaker, a couple of the mods going on this one, but this one actually be going out for tomorrow. But these are two of the builds that the guys are working on today. We have a couple other cars like the one in the front. We have to be doing some performance mods to it and doing stuff like that, but just giving y'all the information of what's going on in the shop, man. So stay tuned if we get these builds going, and always welcome to the channel. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna give y'all a little update of what's going on in the shop. I don't care what y'all say. This one here, we actually doing a tune. This guy bought this car in the auction. Has a couple issues. There was a cam down car and it was running really bad. So we did a tune on the car that we got that operating properly on it. Now we're gonna actually delete the valves in the back of the vehicle because he's having a check engine light for those active exhaust valves. They go out on this car regularly, but with the custom tune on the car, you could actually just keep them open and close out that cell. So that's what we're gonna do here. They've already began. Look at this, guys. Underglow on the toolbox. You guys wanna talk about the lighting, guys? Look at that. Underglow on the go. But what do y'all want to say? Comment below. This one is the one that we talked about. They're in the process of now assembling this one. But this is another build we have here today. This is a Toyota Tacoma. He wants it to be loud. He wants vocally loud. He's a Puerto Rican guy. He wants to keep his stock radio. So we're going to do on this bad boy, we're going to do Pro Audio 6x9s in the front, Pro Audio 6.5s in the back of the vehicle. We're going to do a set of tweeters here on the dash. We're going to throw a 1600.4 16.4 full range Nemesis audio vocal amplifier to power all the vocals, and we're doing a 2K to power the two subs that we're doing 212 Nemesis 12s in the back seat with a ported enclosure that's going behind the back seat of that Tacoma, and that should give him exactly what he's looking for. He wants to have more vocals than he does bass, but he does want to feel a little bit of the bass in there so he can have more of a complete sound system. So that one's in progress now too. I'll just give you an update. Let's just see the reaction when it's done, y'all. That's all that matters. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so give you guys an update of what's going on in the shop. This is one that's also here for today. There's a Charger. We're doing a full exhaust system with the headers. I'll show you everything that's over here. This is going to be customer's own gear, COG. He got BBK high flow cats. He has the long tube headers, and he also has the rest of the exhaust. So this one right now is in progress of getting this done. Technician is now removing everything from there to get the headers off, the mid pipes, and exhaust already down. And once this gets in there, then we'll be able to get this car to the customer going and doing his thing. But meanwhile let me show you a little bit of what goes on in a DLR install. So right now the headlights are separated, as you could tell. Josh has separated his headlights. He doesn't like to work on the tables, he likes to work here. This is just Josh's way of being next to his stuff. But he's actually doing what he needs to do to get this all situated and double-sided and get this into the headlights bezels, which y'all will see in a few minutes. And meanwhile, we got the black battle cat up in the building.
Shout out to my guy for bringing his car up here.
Yes, he did.
He followed us.
He said he came in from Jamal. He said Jamal sent them in here. I'm just saying what he said. Jamal sent them in.
That's purple car guy sticking together.
This is actually a clean car, though.
I know.
This is actually one of the clean. I know Jamal didn't like it because it's definitely a beautiful car. The Widebody, the car is just amazing, man. The car is really. In fact, Josh saw this car and said, "Bro, this is one of the cleanest ones I've seen. It really is a nice car." And the guys are building it now, so it's our privilege to be able to get it done, y'all. Stay tuned if we get these cars going. Alrighty, guys, so at this point in time, this is what we got going on. Got an update. That was audio build, but this is the exhaust system. So it's pretty much a straight pipe system. I'm gonna show y'all. Headers. Let's see, headers. High flow cats. O2 sensor location. All the exhaust goes to the back. All brand new, we're still mounting it. Then he has these beautiful tips that are carbon fiber textured with this on it. We're doing the alignment of this now to get this done. But that is where that one's at. The next one is this one here that Josh is putting together right now. The DLRs are done. Lights are done. He's just mounting it up and getting it together to get it rolling. We did have an issue with this. This is an aftermarket hood. It's fiberglass, so I had to order him a special double-sided tape that we use for those kind of applications, but that's it. But you can see it already got power on. This one should be coming out very shortly also. So just giving you an update. Stay tuned, guys. So we are at the shop. We got a couple things going on, but I'm gonna introduce you to somebody today. This is Mr. Jamal, and that guy's the one that owns the purple one that other Jamal can be mad about, and we're about to find out what he needs in a minute. But Jamal, I do have your file. Let me just come here, open up your file here and see what we got going on here. So we got Mr. Gregory Hines.
That ain't me. I don't know who he is. I don't know who
Love has truly. But we have a Challenger. We talked about a HELLCAT. We talked about removal and reinstallation, powder coating the calipers, paint on the front bumper, HELLCAT bumper. Let's go see what we're working with so I know exactly what I have to do on this build for you. And young man, give me about 5 Puerto Rican minutes. I'll be with you right now. That's Puerto Rican minutes though. You know, I've multiplied. So that's your girl. She look good. She look real good. All right, cool. I see a couple problems already. That diffuser does not belong on that car. Number one problem. You have a well, really the diffuser what the problem is.
That's the problem.
Right now, the look that you have, the problem is actually just the diffuser. Because that's pretty much an RT or Scat Pack or those kind of trim bumper. That's a HELLCAT bumper. I mean a HELLCAT Widebody kit, but it's not for the Widebody. This is actually from the, yeah, so you do have the wrong bumper. And the reason it is that when you look at this here, this little slit you see right here sits inside the chin that comes over here on the side of the car. But the chin that comes for this, that sits inside of here, does not work with this bumper because the HELLCATs are wider on the bottom. They don't bubble in like that. So yeah, you're gonna need the bumper and the chin. That'll take care of that problem. Okay, not a biggie. What's next?
The bag.
Look at one you want to do the air ride on. Okay. Everything else look good. I like the color, bro. I like the spoiler.
That go on here, so these are not the wheels that stand.
We gotta fix this too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, not a big.
I'll show you that tire here in a minute.
Ferrata wheels, not a big deal. This not a. You don't got a big project, man. You got a little bit of buttoning up, but not too much. This is double-sided tape. Yeah. So this is why you don't do double-sided tape, because it does this right here. Look, y'all. Y'all hear about the curse of wide bodies? It's not the curse, it's the installation of wide bodies the problem. But that's nothing, Jamal. This is maybe like $10 million and you're good to go.
10 million?
10 million, like in your back pocket right now. Come on, man. But guys, I'm gonna go back inside and talk with Jamal and get this going. It will be coming back here to get done. I'm gonna quote him up and get him situated, but it could be a beautiful build. I'll tell you that right now, it's gonna definitely be a beautiful build. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you this, and Jamal's gonna be a little bit mad because this is one of his guys, he said, but we did something for this man a little bit different. First of all, he has the turquoise over here. He has the purple over here. He has his halo ring spinning in there. He has his light bar right there and his halo. So this is one controller for the DLR, another one for the projectors, and another one for this DLR. So now he can actually separate them or marry them or put them together or pair them, and whatever he wants to do, he can do it. So you can actually sync them all to be the same or whatever. You could do all that, but long story short, this one getting ready to go signed, sealed, delivered. Let me show you this one here with the exhaust done. So this is what it looked like here, completely done. See, the tips are in there, all the exhaust is in there, and this one getting ready to be signed, sealed, delivered, and the team is working on this one here. So little by little, guys, this is kind of what happens here at AUDIOZONE. It's a day-to-day process of a lot of work, really no downtime for me. I'm consistently on the phone, consistently taking care of customers. So it's definitely a ball game, man. But you know what, in my opinion, it's a grateful thing that we actually do have the work, y'all. So stay tuned. So we got the young man, well, the younger old man. We're all young though, man. You know what I'm saying? He's the one that owns the purple car. And I'm not gonna disclose to you, but man, that something is happening, touched me deeply, and I understand these things, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give him his car. That car means a lot more to me now. Truthfully, I'm not gonna put it on camera, but it took that car. I told you I loved it, but now it took a little bit more of it took a personal touch to me because I understand it 100%. But let's go outside and give him the reveal. Sure. I got what's going on here. We have the girl set up. Turquoise here, flow series going on his right there. Different color hue right here. Different color one here and there. So now let's get the app out and show you how it works out. But while I show him this, guys, I'm gonna end this video always telling y'all thank y'all for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.